Thank you for buying this 15648 book display rack from Fixture Displays. These are all the components. We're going to show you step-by-step instructions how to assemble this unit. There are total 8 parts plus hardware bag. You have left and right behind the side panel and hardware bag, 5 rods, and a fabric holder portion. To begin assembly, we want to identify the outside of the side panel that has countersunk holes, and the inside, whereas, have clean holes. We're going to pick up a rod and start to assemble the rod to the side panel. The nuts are welded to the rods, so you don't have to look for nuts. We're going to thread the screw through the hole and generally turn the rod with the fasten fairly well. And once it's all the way in, you might want to use a provided Allen wrench to tighten. You may not need to do that, whereas the other end you will definitely need that tool. Now we're going to identify the fabric pouches, and there are 5 sewn sleeves that we're going to feed the tube into and through. It's designed to be reasonably tight, so be patient. You will get it in with no problem. Just be patient. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com. In addition to emailing, you are welcome to text message us 630-296-4190. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. One rack comes to mind is 2904, along many other kids and business products. Now we're going to set it sideways and then sit the right-hand side panel onto this structure. We're going to line up the 5 holes and fasten with 5 screws. And take your time, make sure they are done properly before start final fastening. This unit you can sit on tabletop, on the floor, or even wall mount. So it's really a versatile unit. Many sellers on the market don't have any wall mount option, whereas we have provided 2 hanging holes along with hardware for wall mount. Make sure at least find 1 stud for best results. Now we have fastened screws measured properly. I'm going to hang this unit over there on the wall. This saves you a lot of space. I'm going to give you some measurements, left to right. Is 25 inches, front to back is 11 inches, overall height is 23.8 inches. The pouch section, left to right, is 23.8 inches. Front to back, right about 2 inches. And the pocket depth is 10 inches on the highest portion. The entire rack weighs 9.3 pounds and an excellent display for children's book, newspapers, literature, even plush toys if they're not too bulky. It's just an excellent way to organize around your kid's room or even your office, a sitting area, a library. The options are endless to organize and display. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.